Hey, outdoor soccer season has just started up in Toronto. I like to ride my bike there, give myself a good warm-up. And that tracks. This is from the first game of the season, so it was still a bit chilly. But one of the first nicer days that we've been having, so I was pretty happy to just be out without a jacket on. I'm riding along the Bloor bike lanes pretty much the whole time here, and I don't know if you've heard too much about it, but the provincial government wants to remove bike lanes in the name of improving traffic, which is just absolutely absurd. I mean, these bike lanes aren't the best. Lots of potholes and divots, but definitely feel much, much safer riding on these than beside the cars. Right now I'm going to pick up a little pregame snack, Horogwaja in Koreatown. It's the only place that I know in the city that makes them fresh. They sell these and hot dog, but I really like the Horogwaja, the waffle cakes. And I had to pop a few in before continuing my ride. Luckily, the field that we're playing at is not too far from my place. There's not a lot of outdoor turf fields in the city. Last year we played at one further uptown, about 15 kilometers. And when you're going north in Toronto, it means all uphill. So I get pretty gassed before the game. I mean, at least the nice thing is the way back home is an easy descent. But this ride's a lot easier going east to west. Relatively flat. And here we are, right in the heart of Yorkville. Let's do some stretchy. I'm a little too shy still to film some things, like for example, the game, so we'll work on that. But this is after the game. Some Charlie XCX for the ride home. Sorry, but Brat Summer is just the way of life. Happens every year. Sorry to those who don't celebrate. Saying bye to my teammates. And also, I need to still figure out the low light settings on my camera. It gets pretty jittery, so maybe one day, but not today. So apologies in advance. I hope it doesn't hurt your head too much. Park run.